Hi, I just got blinded by the light, but that's okay. My name is Pat. I'm going to give you a little history of Grotto's world famous Tom and Jerry party on New Year's Day. It began way before my time. I have no idea who started it, but I do understand that the Grotto, the old boys and the new boys that we have now, enjoy their cocktails. So I think it was set up for that purpose. Now, I've been coming here since I was 10 years old, and I can remember the days when they always had a very nice New Year's party. So, black tie deal with an orchestra, all that kind of stuff. When the party was over, the men would send the wives home, and they would sleep wherever they could find a place to lay down, floor, pool table, whatever, and get up in the morning and have at it, cook breakfast, and make the illustrious Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry is probably the worst drink you ever had in your life. Tastes absolutely terrible. We're going to show you the recipes. There's two different ones, but the old basic one is the one we always used. It's just eggs, powdered sugar, a little water, a lot of booze, and nutmeg. And as the years progressed, it tasted so bad the guys started putting peppermint schnapps on top to kill the taste of the damn thing. But they used to enjoy them thoroughly. Years ago, we used to have a lot of people in here at Tom and Jerry. It's strictly stag. No ladies involved at all. Don't even come near the place. It's one of the only 2 days of the year that the Grotto is completely stag. The other used to be our ceremonial, but that went by the wayside. Women can now come and sit in the bar room while that's going on. Anyhow, we had numerous crazy things happen at the Tom and Jerry. One year, one of the guys I used to work with, we worked at a meat plant, parked by the side door over here, and he had his truck. It was a carry-all, if you know what that is. A couple of members went out there and snuck out there and jacked it up, put cement blocks underneath the axle so his tires were just off the ground. Him and his buddy got in there to go somewhere to get something. And as you know, he put it in gear and he was going nowhere. And his buddy says, "You better slow down, we're doing 110, and they were going nowhere." So that was fun. Another year, past Monarch decided he would dress up as Baby New Year. So he came out here with all these guys and he had a diaper on, and that was it. Well, immediately he got pushed out the side door out into the cold. It was 10 degrees that day, and he was out there for a half an hour. When he came in, he was blue, literally blue. But that's just kind of the fun we always had. The dinners or the breakfasts were always good. Everybody just kicked in and did it. I used to come quite often, but then I had to cease coming because what would happen is I would get here, I'd go to the bathroom or something and come out and everybody's gone, and the mess was to be cleaned up. And I mean, it was a major mess. The guys cooking probably used every pan in the building. They were all dirty. There were cups and glasses and food all over both rooms. So it would take me about 2.5 hours to clean that mess up. So I decided I wasn't coming anymore. So I haven't been to one in probably, 10 years maybe, somewhere in that area. But if I can have assurances that I wouldn't have to do that, I'll start coming back to it. They are a good time. There's camaraderie. Guys can play cards. They do whatever they want to do. They talk old times. Great time. This is a cup. I don't have the ones with the name on it, but this is the size of the cup that we use. This is our magic elixir that goes in it. It's 1 part rum, or 1 part brandy, and 2 parts rum. And that goes in here. So as you can tell, it's pretty potent. But we're not going to have one this year because of COVID. So we were going to try and have one next year. I know we won't try it. We will have one next year. So if you guys are interested, males only, please stop by and have a great time. And thanks for listening.